Right now I'm in a header ditch on a geothermal system, geothermal heat pump by Bosch. The equipment is going to be on the inside of the home. I'll show you that a little bit later. These two holes right here penetrate the crawl space entrance to the home, and these geothermal pipes that are right here, which is a supply and a return, is going to penetrate these two holes, go into the crawl space, and go through into the basement where the geothermal equipment is. So on the right hand side, that hole is a supply that goes out to the field out here that I'm standing in, and then the other one is the return that's going to come back where the water returns back into the home. Now I'm going to turn around here, and then on the right hand side you'll see this is the supply line, which is right there, and then there's the return. So I'm just going to walk down this ditch. This is about, I'm thinking about 150 to 175 feet to the end of this header ditch. Returns on the left, supplies on the right. This is a 2-inch polyethylene pipe, and it's going to have water in it with about a 20% glycol ratio to water to prevent it from freezing, possibly freezing in the winter. It shouldn't be an issue, but we put the glycol in there just to make sure that doesn't happen. As I said again, this right here is a supply, and this is my very first ditch right here. This is a by the way, 8 tons of heating and cooling on this home. So we have to have 4 ditches that are 300 feet long, and the reason that is we have to have enough water and pipe to get the transfer correctly, so that we get enough heat or cool out of the ground to take care of the capacity of this home. So at any rate, as I said, this is a supply. This pipe with the orange sticker is a 3/4 inch line coming off of this where it's reduced down to 1.5 right here, and it goes out 300 feet along the bottom, and it turns at the end and comes right back, and then is this line right here, which the other end right here is the first part of the return. So this is where my return begins. Same thing, we've got our second supply goes out, which is this one, goes out 300 feet, comes back and ties into right here, which is my second return. So here's the beginning of my return line. Nothing new here, it just does this 4 times. Each one of these is exactly the same, 300 feet all the way out. You can't see it because these ditches curve a little bit, but you can't tell that. Same thing, here's the third ditch. Same thing, goes 300 feet out, 300 feet back, into the return again. Here's the last ditch, out again, and these are my last 2 supplies, right here and right here. And then these are my last 2 returns, right here and right here. And it just 90s. This is the return, goes back around here and all the way back down 150 feet into the house. I'll show you a little bit on the inside later.